Hey everybody. So I have this Echo Dot and it sounds kind of funny. First I'll show you with you know whose voice, and then I'll show you with the song that hopefully won't cause any copyright problems because it has in the past. But it's a really good song to test speakers, like the bass part of it. Now listen to this. Tell me a poem.
How do I love thee? Let me count the ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Phew.
Play Everything in Its Right Place by Radiohead.
Everything in Its Right Place by Radiohead on Amazon Music.
Hear that buzzing? That's what I'm talking about. Stop. Now if we go over in the kitchen, this speaker is much better. Tell me a poem.
Earth. Encased in rocky crust, atop a core of magma, rafts of 7 continents, tour on igneous current, heaving across millennia.
Play Everything in Its Right Place by Radiohead.
Everything in Its Right Place by Radiohead on Amazon Music.
Stop. So you see, this one's buzzy. I'm not sure why. So if you could let me know, that'd be great. Thank you.